Watch guys, I will boot him again. Watch. Y Supra Dual Mode TC. See? Hide is left. Hide is left. See? And he joins again. See how fast he joins again the room. What does that mean? He's using Y Supra. Because if he's using YM, there's many bots in his screen and he cannot go back that fast. He's using he's using Y Supra. So I'm using Y Supra Dual Mode TC to him. Watch again, okay guys? Watch again. I'll boot him again. I'm using a SOX 5 login so I can boot same ID over and over again. Watch. Left again. See? Left. He joins again. See? So this is just a tutorial of what my client booter is. I don't want to make this or do this tutorial or do this in annual tutorial in YouTube, but someone has requested me that if I do have a client booter. Fortunately for me, I do have. So this is signing out, and I do hope you do like my tutorial. Bye guys.